Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Today I've got a new feature to show you. It's the ability to translate one or more subtitles in multiple languages. So this is that Kenneth requested. It will hopefully help you guys to very efficiently translate our subtitles into multiple languages. So let's begin with, I guess, the normal workflow. So normal workflow would be you want to create a simple subtitle for this sentence, for this subtitle. So you would press the I button to open up all the controls. If you want to open up all the I buttons at once, you could just press this little cogwheel here and press View All, and that's going to toggle all of these open, and then you could press the cogwheel again to close this little dialog here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the plus add translation, and that will allow us to create a simple subtitle. So you can click on this blue down arrow just to bring in the text. That makes it nice and easy to bring it in. So let's see here. How are you? Nice to see you back. Yeah, nice to see you too. How have you been? Okay, so you could review this if you want by pressing the video. And if you're happy with this, you could check to see what the translation looks like in your native language by changing the language and pressing translate. So if you're happy with this, you can just press save. If you want to tweak it, you could just tweak it. Nice to see you here again. Okay, so let's just change that a little bit. So we've just tweaked the simple subtitle. We press translate. And sure enough, let's say that we like this better, then we're going to press save. Okay, so step one is now done. We've automatically created the simple subtitle, and we've saved the translation in Filipino. So now we want to go ahead. We're happy with this. We want to translate this simple subtitle into all the other languages. So just simply checkbox it, come to the drop down here, and now here's the new feature. You can just press translate simple subtitle into multiple languages. Now imagine you did this to all of these. You've added simple subtitles to all of these subtitles here. Instead of just selecting one, you can select all of them by pressing select all or individually. Okay, so that's another thing you can do. You can process multiple at once, but let's just go back to this dialog. Okay, as soon as you select that option in the drop-down, you're going to get this new window here, and it says choose the languages you would like the simple subtitles translated into. So you can press select all if you want, and that will make this translate button active. You can select none, but actually we will select all, and we're going to unselect Filipino since we've already added the translation here. If we didn't do that, then it's going to duplicate this translation and you'll have to delete one. So this will just save you some time. So then we press translate, and it's sending a request to the server to translate the selected subtitles now into those languages. So if we just wait a little while, it does take a lot of time, especially if you select more than one subtitle, but you'll then get a green message here, and then it's going to display for you all of the translations on the screen at once. So normally the subtitles that are displayed are filtered by the current translation selector up here. I'm just going to press play on this right now, because this is yellow and it's kind of hard to see. So I'm just going to press play on the next one so that we can get rid of that highlight. Here we go. I'm going to pause it. Okay, so here you can see there's all the subtitles. Okay, so all those translations. So now if you were to change this to one of the other languages, it's going to refilter all of the subtitles to display only the German translations. So if we do that, it's going to show you just the German. Okay, so let's try this with a few more. So rather than going ahead and adding simple subtitles for each one, I'm just going to cheat right now and press create simple subtitles. I'm just going to create those three just so I can demonstrate for you again this multi-translation option. So let's say we've tweaked these simple subtitles. You would come up to here, you would press translate simple subtitles into multiple languages, and then you would select all. Since we didn't add the Filipino to Tagalog translation, I'm not gonna uncheck it this time, and I'm gonna press translate. Okay, and then it's going to translate those three selected subtitles into all of these different languages. Okay, you'll notice it's taking a little bit longer since we've got more subtitles selected. It can take up to a minute if you selected the entire transcript. Just be aware of that. Okay, it's just finished. And then after a few seconds, it's going to update the display. So now you can see under subtitle 2, we've got all 27 languages, the translations of all 27 languages. And then for subtitle 3, the same thing. It's got all the translations. And then subtitle 4, it's got all the translations. Okay, so now we can come here and we can filter on, let's say we filter on French this time. So it's going to refresh all the subtitles from the server, but only return the French translations. And there they are. Okay, there's the French ones. Okay, so I hope you guys like this feature. Please let me know if you have any suggestions, requests, or find any bugs, and I will accommodate to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. This is Paul, signing out.